Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two website builder platform, which is Wix and Jimdo. So to get started with a quick overview, Wix is a landing website builder known for its drag and drop editor, together with an AI assisted site creation with the help of the Wix ADI and extensive customization option. It's designed for users of all skills level, offering everything from portfolios and blogs to full e-commerce solution. Then talking about Jimdo on the other side, is a simpler, more beginner-friendly platform that also use AI-driven design tools like Jimdo Dolphin to quickly build basic websites. It's best for small business, freelancers, or personal use who want to get online fast without diving deep into customization. Then talking about the strength and the weakness of this platform, starting with the Wix. Revealing the strength, it has a drag and drop freedom with hundreds of templates. It also has a robust e-commerce tools and SEO and the app market for added functionality. Also has a AI site builder with the help of the ADI for quick setup. And here's the downside of the Wix platform. Some advanced features locked behind the premium plan, and the site speed can be inconsistent. Now, talking about the Jimdo strength and the weakness, starting with the strength, very easy to use with a minimal setup, and it has an AI-powered Dolphin builder for quick results, and it has a clean mobile-friendly template. And talking about the downside, not ideal for scaling or complex websites. It also has a limited customization and a third-party integration. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So you can simply choose Wix if you want a flexible, powerful website builder that grows with your business or the creative need. And on the other side, if you want a simple, beginner-friendly platform to get a clean, functional website or a running fast with a minimal input, just go for Jimdo. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and which of these platforms would be your best website builder. Thanks.